Your question is, the speaker continues to be the speaker even after the dissolution of the assembly until. Your options are A. Immediately before the first sitting of the new assembly constituted after dissolution, B. The election of the new speaker, C. He desires, or D. None of these. Right answer is A. Immediately before the first sitting of the new assembly constituted after dissolution. Your question is, how long can a minister continue without being elected to the state assembly? Your options are A. 1 year, B. 6 months, C. 3 years, or D. 3 months. Right answer is B. 6 months. Your question is, who prorogues the Vidhan Sabha of a state? Your options are A. Governor, B. Vidhan Sabha Speaker, C. Chief Minister, or D. Law Minister. Right answer is A. Governor. Your question is, after the Ayodhya incident in 1992, Vidhan Sabha in some states was dissolved. Out of the following, in which state the Vidhan Sabha was not dissolved? Your options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, or D. Bihar. Right answer is D. Bihar. Your question is, which one of the following states has proposed a reservation for Muslims in jobs and education? Your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, or D. Karnataka. Right answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Your question is, consider the following statements. The Constitution of India provides that 1. The Legislative Assembly of each state shall consist of not more than 450 members chosen by direct election from territorial constituencies in the state. 2. A person shall not be qualified to be chosen to fill a seat in the Legislative Assembly of a state if he or she is less than 25 years of age. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B. 2 only. A person shall not be qualified to be chosen to fill a seat in the Legislative Assembly of a state if he or she is less than 25 years of age. Your question is, which is the only state in India to have the Common Civil Code? Your options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Mizoram, C. Nagaland, or D. Goa. Right answer is D. Goa. Your question is, accounts of the states are controlled by the. Your options are A. Governor, B. Chief Minister, C. State Finance Secretary, or D. None of these. Right answer is D. None of these. Your question is, the contingency fund of the state is operated by. Your options are A. The Governor of the state, B. The Chief Minister of the state, C. The State Finance Minister, or D. None of the above. Right answer is A. The Governor of the state. Your question is, which one of the following statements about the Chief Minister of a state is not correct? Your options are A. The Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, B. The Chief Minister generally presides over the cabinet meetings, C. The Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister, or D. Ministers are appointed by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. Right answer is C. The Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister.